How does alcohol make you drunk? For all that time, alcohol has been both a cause of great pleasure and, for a minority, colossal pain. Our relationship as a society with alcohol swings on a pendulum over time, between celebrating the positives and deploring the negatives. Alcohol is a mood-altering substance. It affects the nerves that pass messages around the body by slowing them down. And the more you drink, the greater the effect. The reason people often get more lively when they've had a drink is that alcohol affects parts of the brain responsible for self-control. Do you ever wonder about the whole process through which alcohol makes you drunk? Well, buck up, Buttercup. The answer is here. Here's how alcohol makes you drunk, or more precisely, ethanol, which has been part and parcel of alcohol for decades. When you drink alcohol, the water-soluble ethanol it contains has a free pass throughout your body. After it enters your digestive system, it takes a ride in your bloodstream, passes through cell membranes, and strolls through the heart. Ethanol is the intoxicating part of alcohol, and its molecules are so small that they can actually pass into the gaps between brain cells. There, it can interfere with the neurotransmitters that enable all the brain's activities. It especially likes to hang out in the brain, where it becomes a central nervous system depressant. While in the brain, ethanol wanders around, causes feel-good dopamine to be released, and links up with nerve receptors. Of these receptors, ethanol particularly binds to glutamate, a neurotransmitter that normally excites neurons. Ethanol doesn't allow the glutamate to become active, and this makes the brain slower to respond to stimuli. Ethanol also binds to gamma-aminobutyric acid. Unlike its stinginess with glutamate, ethanol activates GABA receptors. These receptors make a person feel calm and sleepy, so the brain's function slows even further. Alcohol is eventually metabolized by the enzymes in the liver, but this process can cause damage to the organ in the long term. Alcohol is also excreted by the kidneys as urine or breathed out by the lungs. Whole ethanol molecules can even seep from the skin. However, if you drink more than your liver can process, you start to get drunk. Of course, the severity of one's drunkenness is dependent on other factors too. Gender, age, weight, even what you had for dinner can all play a role in how much alcohol it takes to become intoxicated or drunk. If you drink fast, alcohol will start to flood the brain. Fortunately, alcohol can give some warning signs as it penetrates into the brain and central nervous system. So if you spot the signs in yourself or a friend, moderate your or their drinking or stop drinking further amounts. The last thing you'd want is to lose control, vomit, or end up in the hospital. Severe cases of heavy drinking can result in alcoholic poisoning, coma, or death. A flood of alcohol, about 1 liter or 4 bottles of wine, can depress brain function so much that it fails to send crucial signals to the body, like those that control breathing and heart rate. People die from alcohol poisoning because they pass out and the brain doesn't remind their bodies to breathe. Your reactions also slow down, and as you drink more, you may become uncoordinated or unsteady on your feet. Your speech may get slurred and you may start seeing double. If you've had a lot to drink, you may also experience strong emotional responses. For instance, you may become aggressive or tearful. And because your judgment is impaired, you may do things that you might not normally do, from dancing on tables to going home with strangers. They might seem a good idea at the time, but can be extremely dangerous. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, then do tell us in the comment section below and keep watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. And do you see that bell icon? Well, click on that and don't miss any of our updates. See you next time. Bye bye!